6 alcoholic drinks for when you're dieting. Pour one of these 6 alcoholic beverages when you're trying to lose weight. Did you know that most of us drink about 16% of our daily calories from alcohol each day? That turns out to be, on average, about 100 calories a day. Typically, men drink more than women. Add that up over the course of a year, and it's easily a 10-pound weight gain. Here's another drawback to booze. Alcoholic drinks are referred to as empty calories. In other words, they deliver calories but very few nutrients. That said, there's research that shows people who frequently drink small amounts, think one drink a day between 3 to 7 days a week, have lower BMIs than people who drink less frequently, but drink more when they do imbibe. The takeaway? Alcohol doesn't have to be completely taboo if you're trying to lose weight. What's most important is knowing which drinks you should be ordering to keep calories in check. Here are 6 drinks that are okay to order, plus mixers to blend in with your liquor of choice. The lowest calorie alcohols to drink on a diet: gin, 1 1/2 ounces 38 calories. Champagne, 4 ounces 80 calories. Vodka, 1 1/2 ounces 97 calories. Tequila, 1 1/2 ounces 97 calories. White Claw, 12 ounces 100 calories. Cabernet, 5 ounces 122 calories. Mixers to drink on a diet. Mix your liquor of choice with a diet soda, diet tonic water, club soda, 0-calorie flavored sparkling water. None of these mixers have calories, so you can't go wrong with any of these options.